the engine's evolution. In a small, quaint town nestled between rolling hills, there stood an old garage that had witnessed the passage of time. From the earliest days of steam engines to the sleek electric cars of the future, it had seen it all. And at its heart was Old Man Thompson, the seasoned mechanic whose life had been intertwined with the evolution of car engines. The story began in the early 20th century when the roads were dominated by roaring, iron beasts fueled by coal and dreams. Old Man Thompson's father had been one of the first mechanics in town, fixing the clunky engines that powered the dreams of those daring enough to ride them. As decades passed, gasoline engines replaced coal, bringing newfound speed and freedom. Old Man Thompson grew up tinkering with these powerful machines, learning their quirks and intricacies like an artist mastering his craft. He watched as cars evolved from rugged contraptions to sleek automobiles, each generation bringing new challenges and innovations to his humble garage. Then came the great shift, the dawn of the electric age. Skeptics scoffed at the idea of cars running on anything but gasoline, but Old Man Thompson saw the potential. With his weathered hands and keen mind, he adapted, embracing the challenge of this new era. Years turned into decades, and the town changed along with the cars that passed through Old Man Thompson's garage. But one thing remained constant, his unwavering dedication to the art of mechanics. He welcomed each new technology with open arms, treating every engine that crossed his path with the same respect and care. As the years went by, Old Man Thompson became a legend in the town, revered for his knowledge and skill. And when the time came for him to hang up his wrench and retire, he passed on his wisdom to the next generation, ensuring that the legacy of the engine's evolution would live on. And so, nestled between the hills, the old garage stood as a testament to the journey of innovation and progress, guided by the hands of a man who had witnessed it all, Old Man Thompson, the guardian of the engine's evolution.